Will I get demonetized if my boobs are out? So my very first YouTube channel. Why'd I say channel? It's my video. It's my very first video. It's my very first show. It's my very first. It's my very first. It's my very first show. Not only of 2020, but of forever. Baby, are you down, 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 down? Hold outside. Why do I sing it all? Why? Woo, child, somebody called they mama and get me off. Get me off. Bet you guys are thinking, why YouTube? Well, I'm thinking the same thing. So if you guys can answer that in the comments down below, then that would be great. I kind of wanted to do this first video to ask you guys what you really wanted from me. I thought that it would be a little bit different. What do the people want? What do they want? I want my channel to be about love, respect, loyalty. Am I making a YouTube channel or am I building a church? To hang out after a long day, before a long day, while you're watching your kids, while you're cooking. I can teach you a little something, you know. Just any time that you want to get away, get a laugh. I'm gonna be here, okay? And I'm gonna be teaching you. What is life if we're not learning something, babe? What are we gonna teach you? I don't know, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But as of right now, welcome to my channel, guys, and I really hope you guys enjoy sitting down and playing with makeup and talking too much. You know, just hop on over here and we'll see where this journey takes us, because I would love for you guys to come along and be my ride or dies, my sugar pies, my catch more bees with honey than vinegar. No. We have to take a thumbnail picture. Pull this down a little bit. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that button. Once I figure out how to put that button, we gonna be in business, okay? If you do enjoy me and want to see more of my content, please like and subscribe. Click that notification bell. Get a notification every time I upload a new video, okay? I have a lot of stuff in mind, but I do want your feedback. That would be great. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go do what I always do. Nothing. Yes, if you guys would like a tutorial on this look, just let me know. Gotcha. Cut. These lips are dry. Dry.